go.
Oh shit, almost knocked it. Ah! What is up, you guys? Those kids coming to you live from Chirac. Not really.
Oh.
What we have today. Some nasty weather. What the freak? Who's our pillow here? Anyway, we're trying to make this set look nice.
We're doing the watermelon challenge.
Oh.
Doing a watermelon challenge. So we have rubber bands.
Sorted rubber band.
Was it recorded?
It is. Alright.
Rubber band.
Anywho.
Ah,
Shit. Put them over
What's
here.
the 49 cents on those watermelons?
And those watermelons. Rubber bands.
Rubber bands.
Oh shit, now I know how you did it.
This is really good.
Hold on. So what we gotta do, explode this watermelon. Oh shit, that actually moved really high.
We're gonna explode.
Ah! My,
So we're gonna stretch it. We're gonna put
Stretch
it
it.
across
across what?
the watermelon.
Oh, this is a really thick one.
Yeah, I told you.
Hold on.
So
And what?
let's do this.
First rubber band.
First one
Oh.
down.
What did that
all blew up.
I move this shit.
That really.
What the heck? Dude, this is getting tense. Okay, that one ripped. Oh no! Oh no, this thing is so ripped. I feel like it should pop right now. Sweat?
It's my turn.
Oh, we're taking turns?
You are?
No. That one flew up again?
It's over there.
I see it. Oh!
Sorry. Not dumb. Oh shit! Score!
I don't want to get hit. Dude, I haven't even put on.
Why don't we just like
Ah!
Get up the watermelon.
It's hard. Oh man.
My hands are gonna smell like rubber bands.
These are gonna smell like
my
blood.
hands are gonna smell like I fingered a
A watermelon.
Should probably run a thinner.
This black one is big.
Oh, I get it.
What? Does it look like it's got? Oh, it's got heavy.
It's a watermelon.
Watch this. I got like 20 rubber bands.
I haven't used it
I keep putting colorful ones.
because it's pretty colors.
Why you just want to do it one by one? It's gonna take forever.
2 by 2s.
Alright, you get that side. Pull that side.
That's why I'm scared. Look at like bricks on my hand.
Got it?
That's why I didn't want to do that.
Let go! What was my pen?
I have so much hair on my hands.
Maybe we should lower it.
Lower what? This thing?
Like all on top. Look. Oh my god, that's heavy.
Great job, Matthew. You broke the.
It's good exercise right here, my friends.
Broke it. Wait. I feel like we should have gotten the rubber bands from another watermelon. Christian, run.
And go where?
The
What other watermelon?
Well, it's not like we messed up once. And someone's dad ate it.
I'll be right back. Do I get the whole watermelon or just the rubber band?
Bring me a Coke. Give me a Coke.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
Ow!
that really hurt. I want this one.
Does the hose turn on? Is the hose on?
I don't know.
Shit. I saw that! Turn it off!
What? No! That's my chair!
Just, you know, watering the grass.
Where you go?
wanted to eat that. You gonna throw that at me?
No, I just got it. No, I know it. I got clothes on.
Watermelon.
What the watermelon?
So,
At least we got a dog to clean it up.
it's pretty much me doing most of this.
You know, buddy? Oh. That's...
Oh, now it slides down. Good job. You guys are smart.
It's gonna sticky.
That's fine.
And now it's more colorful.
Hey, if this pops and it makes a rubber band ball, I keep it.
No, I
Dip.
want it.
I called it dip.
No,
I
you didn't-
called
you
it.
didn't call it.
I called it already.
I called this when you were in the bathroom.
You can look at the.
My shoe!
You can look at the video. I already called it.
Oh, that's harder to put on.
I told you it's gonna get sticky.
No, it's not that sticky.
Yeah, ace.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah.
That just scared me.
Back in my day, we didn't have this. We wanted a watermelon pop.
You can get a knife.
We get a knife.
What's this? Oh, I thought it was leaky.
Drink it. No, drink it. Oh, what is that?
It's Coke and
Mountain Dew.
Mountain Dew.
And water.
My hands are stuck.
Oh, your hands are stuck? Oh, my rubber band.
Yes, sir.
My hands are flying. Relax.
Oh, no.
No, wait. I'm sitting down. No, that's gonna hurt. Fuck me.
My Coke!
They should put colorful colors on it. So it's like. Okay. Right.
No, we're trying to. What's your face in my ass?
Oh Lord. You gotta drop it.
Next week, I'm gonna be happy. Go in the camera. Go look in the camera. Go look in the camera. You look like the thing from Notre Dame.
Shut up. Shut
You
up.
did have a heart attack. Oh. That was thick.
Push it up from that side, Matthew.
My stomach!
A big guy.
Put it out, put it out, put it out!
Oh.
Why do you have to look at my thumb?
Guys, it's like this. Imagine like this.
Does my nail always look like that?
Look at it. I told you your nail. You imagine we don't know it's gonna pop and then it's right in our face. Dude.
Oh. Alright, we're sitting here, gonna pop a watermelon. What's that?
Somebody said it's gonna switch sides.
Shit.
God damn it. Can't you just open it slowly? 49 cents.
How much was the water?
You get a piece of water and throw it
Get all
out.
that, get all that, get all that, get all
Get some on your face. Get some on your face.
Huh?
Get some on your face.
Get some on your face. Okay. Bruise yourself so it looks like it hit you.
Yeah.
No way. You lying.
It hit me in the face.
Where is it?
Right here.
Dude, it popped you in the face. You just wiping it off.
I knew it didn't pop.
Mm-mm. You believed it for like a second.
I was like, no way, dude. You got. They got me. I'm pumped.
Oh, my brother. Scar.
Score.
Ow, ow.
Koba. Koba.
Dude, that's the wrong movie.
Luke, I know.
Ow, Matthew.
Other side.
What happened?
For a second.
Wait, where'd all the rubber bands go?
This is it.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I told you we're running out.
Shit. For Ricky Dillon.
He died?
Look at how big this one is. It's like the length of my leg.
He's going Super Saiyan. Oh, don't kill it.
It doesn't break.
Wait, oh shit!
He pressed the button. Throw it behind it. Throw it at me, come on.
Move out the way! Move out the way! I'll finish it! I'll finish it! I'll finish it! Fucking fat man! Put it back down! Put it back down! Put it back down! Put it back down! Put it down! Put it down! Put him down now! Put it down! Put it down before I hurt you, boy!
The correct number of rubber bands is 325.
Make it a rubber band ball. I'm so wet. Wait, how many are they? Doesn't bounce. Let's do this. Looks like an actual hell. Let's go. Headbutt. Let's get
That's
Oh, fuck. Oh, watch this. What's that? I got this. It's for my NBA submission video. Okay,
You make it?
I made it.
my turn.
No, Carlitos!
Alright, let's outro this.
I feel like to be pregnant.
Nice baby.
Yes, told you. Punch it. Punch it. Oh! Water! I know.
No, not look at me!
Okay, let's outro this. Okay. Alright.
Get when we play with watermelon.
I don't know if it works.
It worked. I don't think so. I got my eye.
It's hard. You need a lot of rubber bands if you're gonna do
You're
this.
right out.
My hands
We
hurt.
bought like 4 packs. So.
Peace.
Ah!
We out. These